The 2027 Subaru Crosstrek is arriving with a set of upgrades that make buying the current model right now a decision you're going to regret. If you've been shopping for a capable, affordable small SUV and keep running into the same problem, too much compromise for the price, this is the video you need to watch before signing anything. Most small SUVs at this price point make you choose between fuel efficiency and all-wheel drive, or between off-road ability and a livable interior. But the 2027 Crosstrek is going to deliver all of it in one package, without pushing the price into a different category entirely. Number 7. Updated styling. When you're committing $30,000 or more to a new vehicle, the design needs to stay relevant for years. Nobody wants to pull into a parking lot feeling like their SUV already looks like last year's model. The current Crosstrek generation launched for the 2024 model year, which means 2027 is going to mark its 4th production year. That's the milestone that typically signals one thing: a mid-cycle refresh is arriving. 4 years into a generation, buyers start noticing the age. Newer rivals are showing up with sharper faces and fresher details, and the gap starts to feel wider than it actually is. A well-timed refresh resets that perception entirely, and the 2027 update is going to do exactly that. The changes aren't going to reimagine the Crosstrek from scratch. This is already one of the more visually distinctive entries in the subcompact segment, built around chunky black fender cladding, a raised ride height, and angular body lines that separate it from more forgettable rivals. What the refresh is going to do is sharpen those elements, update the lighting treatment, and cleaner front-end detailing and styling cues that bring the Crosstrek in line with Subaru's newest design direction. For a buyer who cares about how their vehicle looks 5 years from now, the 2027 is the smarter entry point. The styling is a strong reason to wait, but a fresh face means very little if what's under the hood can't keep up, and that's where the next reason gets interesting. Number 6. Excellent hybrid powertrain. Every time fuel prices move, small SUV owners feel it first. A tank costing $50 or $60 every few days adds up fast, and it quietly changes the math on what a vehicle actually costs to own. The 2027 Crosstrek Hybrid is going after that exact problem, and the way it's doing it sets it apart from rivals in this segment. The hybrid system is pairing electrified efficiency with Subaru's well-known symmetrical all-wheel drive, fully intact without compromise. A lot of hybrid crossovers at this price either drop all-wheel drive entirely or reduce it to a single electric motor that only engages when the system decides to. Subaru isn't taking that shortcut. The drivetrain architecture stays the same, and all-wheel drive capability remains as consistent as it is across every other Crosstrek trim. Pricing is about to start at approximately $36,000, which is competitive for an all-wheel drive hybrid package in this class. The hybrid version is building a compelling case, but if the idea of a brand new powertrain gives you pause, the gas-only Crosstrek has a very convincing answer to that concern. Number 5. Proven gas engine. There's a growing assumption in the automotive world that without a turbo or an electric motor, a powertrain is already falling behind. The 2027 Crosstrek gas model is going to push back on that idea directly. The naturally aspirated 2.5-liter flat-4 carries 180 horsepower. Not a headline-grabbing figure, but that's not the point. Think about what most buyers actually need from a daily driver, not peak performance numbers. What matters is a vehicle that starts every morning, handles every errand, and doesn't become a financial burden the moment the warranty expires. This engine is a known quantity, straightforward to service, resistant to the failure modes that come with more complex forced induction setups, and entirely predictable from the first mile to the 100,000th. Fuel economy reaches up to 26 miles per gallon in the city and 33 on the highway. Honest numbers for a vehicle with standard all-wheel drive. A reliable powertrain is a major piece of the puzzle, but it only tells part of the story because the space you're sitting in every single day matters just as much. Number 4. Spacious and comfortable cabin. Buying compact doesn't have to mean buying cramped. Tight rear seats, awkward cargo loading, poor sightlines. These are quality of life problems that show up on every single drive. The 2027 Crosstrek is going to address all of them without asking buyers to step up to a larger vehicle. Up front, there are 42.9 inches of legroom and 39.8 inches of headroom. Figures that beat the Mazda CX-30's 41.7 and 38.1 inches, respectively. The seats are built for longer drives, offering real support without the pressure points that become uncomfortable after an hour on the highway. Anyone who's tried to load a week's worth of luggage into a subcompact SUV knows how fast a small cargo area becomes a problem. Behind the rear seats, there are 20 cubic feet of usable space, and with those seats folded flat, the load floor expands to 55 cubic feet, well ahead of the CX-30's 45. Large glass panels all around around give the driver strong outward visibility, making daily parking and lane changes noticeably less stressful. The cabin is a genuinely practical place to spend time, and when the road runs out, the 2027 Crosstrek is ready for that too. Number 3. Strong off-road potential. Most crossovers that market themselves as capable off-road are really talking about gravel. The traction control activates, the photos look compelling, and the moment things get genuinely rough, the limitations become obvious. The 2027 Crosstrek is going to arrive with hardware that backs up the outdoor-ready image, starting from the very base trim. Standard models are coming with all-wheel drive, 8.7 inches of ground clearance, hill descent control, and hill start assist. None of it is locked behind an option package. For those who push further, consider what it actually feels like to arrive at a trailhead and realize your vehicle can't follow you. The wilderness trim closes that gap entirely. Ground clearance grows to 9.3 inches, the suspension is calibrated for rougher terrain, and all-terrain tires are going to come fitted from the factory. Towing capacity jumps from 1,500 pounds on standard trims up to 3,500 pounds, a meaningful difference for anyone moving a small trailer or a set of off-road bikes to the weekend destination. That kind of capability at this price is rare, but what makes the 2027 Crosstrek's value proposition truly hard to argue with is what Subaru is including before any options are added. Number 2. Lots of standard features. Sticker price and total cost of ownership are two very different conversations. It's straightforward for a manufacturer to advertise a competitive entry price, then bury the features buyers actually want behind option packages and trim jumps. The 2027 Crosstrek is going to make that frustration hard to find. Already in its base variant, the 2027 Crosstrek will be loaded with standard safety and tech features. Every trim level is arriving with Subaru's EyeSight driver assistant suite as standard. This means adaptive cruise control, automated emergency braking, and lane departure warning with lane keeping assist at no extra cost. The premium trim adds a larger 11.6-inch infotainment display along with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for a price increase that's easy to justify. Upper trims bring Harman Kardon audio, a power moonroof, and expanded USB connectivity. Even at the base level, the Crosstrek isn't cutting corners where it counts, and once the full feature set gets stacked against the asking price, the final reason to wait becomes the most difficult one to ignore. Number 1. Excellent value. The 2027 Crosstrek is going to open at approximately $28,000, with the lineup running up to around $36,000 for the wilderness trim. For what the vehicle is delivering across those price points, those numbers are going to be difficult to match in the segment. That entry price is arriving with standard all-wheel drive, the full EyeSight safety suite, a spacious interior, and real off-road capability. That's a combination that forces most rivals to either add cost or subtract features to compete. The Chevrolet Trax undercuts the Crosstrek on price, but the mechanical depth isn't comparable. The Mazda CX-30 offers sharper driving dynamics, but it starts from a higher base and doesn't include all-wheel drive as standard. The 2027 Crosstrek is arriving as a complete package. Fresh styling, a proven gas engine, a capable hybrid option, a spacious cabin, genuine off-road ability, and a feature list that most rivals can't match at this price. Whether you're commuting through unpredictable weather, hauling gear to a trailhead, or simply looking for a vehicle that holds its value across years of daily use, the 2027 model is going to be the most well-rounded version of this crossover yet. But as amazing as the new Subaru Crosstrek is, it's not like there are no excellent alternatives that are definitely worth the money. One of them is the Mazda CX-30, which you can check out in our next video now. Famous for its style and driving dynamics, Mazda's entry-level crossover is shaping up to be by far the best option in the segment, thanks to the 2027 updates that are coming.